In this video, I will show you how to edit my multiplication dance game for your PowerPoint presentation. I've used this in my class myself and it's a nice alternative to normal math education. Before you start, you want to download the file from the Dropbox in the description. First, I will show you how to change the music of your presentation. You want to start off by deleting the audio that is already on the slide. You can find this audio on the third slide. And you want to delete the speaker icon. You then want to go to Insert in the ribbon and click on Audio. Here, you can select the audio file you want to play during your dance game. Click on the speaker icon of your newly added audio file. You then want to go to Playback in the ribbon and click on Play in Background. Second, I will show you how to change the speed of the multiplication showing. To do this, go to Animations in the ribbon and open up the animation pane. You want to right-click the animation and change the timing. You want to look at the level of the students you're teaching and then you change the time accordingly. Third, I will show you how to add more, remove or adjust slides. You want to copy and paste slides that are the same length and time. You copy an existing slide and paste it. You can drag the thumbnail of the slide to the spot you want the slide to be. To edit the slide, you just go to the slide you want to adjust and change the multiplication. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.